Pupils Book, page 5. 3. Listen and answer.
Hello, I'm Trevor. Look at number 4. Who's he?
He's Mr. Star. He's Mr. Star.
Look at number 1. Who's she?
She's Susie Star.
Look at number 8. Who's he?
He's Monty.
Look at number 3. Who's she?
She's Stella Star.
Look at number 6. Who's she?
She's Grandma Star.
Look at number 2. Who's he?
He's Simon Star.
Look at number 9. Who's she?
She's Marie.
Look at number 10. Who's he?
He's Maskman.
Look at number 5. Who's she?
She's Mrs. Star.
Look at number 7. Who's he?
He's Grandpa Star.